So you want to know how to make money in markets, and especially if you're a beginner, it's very difficult, it's very overwhelming to make money in markets. So if you're wondering how do professional traders make money and how they are consistently profitable in the markets, I'll tell you. Uh, this video will be very short, 5 minutes max, and I'll tell you the easiest way you can stay profitable. The first thing to stay profitable in markets is to have a strategy. If you are entering a trade and exiting a trade based on your emotions, you are not going to make any money. You have to have an edge over the market. The markets are random. If you have a strategy, you have the edge over the market. So you have to plan something and backtest it, check it if it is profitable, if the strategy is profitable, if your plan works, and only then go in the market and take the trade. If you don't have the plan, don't trade. You're gonna lose money for sure. So I'll just introduce you to one simple method, uh, just to introduce you to the discipline strategy, how a disciplined traders take the trade, exit the trade, and how they stay profitable for multiple years. Now especially there are different markets, right? You have your nation's market, stock market, and then there's this forex market, currency market, and then there is a new one which is getting popular for last couple of years, that is crypto. And I would say the most easy market to make money in is crypto, and it is a, I mean, generational opportunity to make money. And if you're in the market if you're in crypto and you're not making money, you're a loser. I don't know who is not profitable yet in the crypto. If you have been in the market for more than 1 year, you got to have some profits with you. If you don't have, you're doing something terribly wrong. You have to plan something, you have to work out how what is your investment method. So let me just start. I'll just tell you how professional traders make money and how are they profitable. So let's just start with this Bitcoin chart, right? Everyone trades this, every trader is trading this. So this is daily chart. And about time frames, if you are learning trading, newbies and beginners do, they directly go to 15-minute charts, 1 minute chart, 1 minute chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. These are very random. This is random numbers, random prices. They go up and down very randomly. You can't trade this. The less time frame you have, the more random it is. So if you're starting out, I would recommend you don't come below 4 hour. At least trade 4 hour charts, but I would recommend to trade daily chart. Okay, and you see the chart, right? And the easiest way to make money in markets is to follow trends. Just if you see a trend, you have to enter it. If you see the trend changing, you have to exit. Now it is very easy to say for me to for you to advise that follow the trend. How do you recognize the trends, right? So you can use any indicators. You can use, obviously you can use a price action, but but you need experience and a lot of practice to identify trends with price action methods. So if you are new, just don't depend on any manual methods, right? Use mathematics. What is the simplest indicator that you know? I would say moving averages, exponential moving averages, simple moving averages. Just use them, like anything will do. So for example, I'll take two EMAs. Exponential moving averages average 13 and exponential moving average 34. Why 13 and 34? It's just 13 is close to half of the month, 34 is close to 1 month, and 13 and 34 are both fib numbers, so they are specially used in trading. So I took these two numbers. Now think of a simple strategy. You just have to, the market is extremely volatile, you just have to follow the trend. To make simple rules, I'll just remove these tricks for a second, just minimizing it. So what are you looking here? These are trends, right? This is the famous trend from 10k BTC to 57 BTC. Then it got, then maybe you have some got some people exited here or not, and then took a drawdown or something, I don't know. And then it is now in a range 30k to 60k. How would you trade this? Simple, right? You just chose the simplest indicator there is, EMA 13, EMA 34. What you do, whenever EMA 13 crosses EMA 34, you buy and you stay in the trade for months. You entered in October 20. As long as 13 is above 34, you stay in the trend. You stay in the trend. It is doing its thing. You do your thing. It's an investment. It's a daily chart. It's a trade. It goes on for months, right? You stay in the trade as long as the trend is valid. You stay in the trend. You stay in the trade, right? And if you see 13 EMA crossing 34 and the candle is closed, you exit. No emotions, right? Nothing. You don't have thing like Bitcoin will go above and what will I do. Straight up mathematics. Follow the rules. 13 is above 34, you buy. 13 is below 34, you sell. And I'm talking about candle closes here, right? If candle is closed, the day is ended, then, and if the EMA 13 is below 34, you exit. And then again you had so much, you have almost let's say 400% profit here, and then you entered here, you exited here, no problem, little loss, but within a time frame of 1 or 2 years you will make money for sure, because you're following a trend, you have discipline, you have a strategy. Now again you entered here at 39k, you exited here 43k, good trade. Again you entered at 44k and you exited at 57k, right? Over, trade finished. That's how you trade. Now you traded for almost 2 years and you took only 3 or 4 trades, and one of them was a loss and all others were profit. That's how trading is. Not, you can't win all the trades. You only can lose only, you always lose some trades, right? You can't be like God. You can't be winning all the time, but you have to make sure you have a plan, you have the edge over the market, and you have to work like that. Now EMA is just an example. It's EMA is not the strategy I told you is not the most efficient, but at least you have a plan. You won't be like other losers in the market who trade with the emotions. They won't be profitable. At least you have a plan. It was the most basic plan, right? It was a basic indicator, EMA. Everyone knows EMA, and 2 EMAs, you made money in 2 years, and you didn't have to waste so much time in trading, but you made money. That's how trading is. Now, other than EMA, you can use tricks. This is just example. You can use any fucking indicator that exists. Anything. Ichimoku cloud, SMAs, RSI, oscillators, indicators, anything. Just make a strategy, backtest it. If it has worked for last 10 years or last 5 years, whatever. Crypto is young, so you have to check for last 4 years. And if it was successful, then use it for 2 years. At least you won't make a lot of losses. Even if your strategy is not very good, and if it was not successful, you will only lose 10 to 20%. You won't lose the entire all your account. That's how you have to trade. I'll give you another example. Just use tricks, right? Wait for daily candle to close, and if the tricks here, the tricks is decreasing. Whenever you see an increase, you buy, and as long as it is increasing, you stay in the trade, and you stay in the trade, and whenever you see it is decreasing, you exit the trade. That's how it works. And I gave you 2 examples. You can take any indicator, you can just check how was it working and backtest it, and follow it genuinely. Discipline. Don't change your strategy like a pussy in 1 or 2 months. Don't do that. Allot some money, whatever, $10,000, 20,000, whatever you're trading with, and follow a strategy. Be disciplined. Have a plan and follow that. There's no way you will lose money over the 2-3 years of time. And see, check your profits monthly, not even monthly, quarterly, in 6 months, in 1 year. Don't be like don't come in the market every day and check your account if it is going up or down. Markets are very volatile and you have to trade in long, in at least one daily chart to consistently be profitable in markets for years. We are talking about years here. We are not getting rich in 1 or 2 days. We are not gods. We have to have discipline and a plan to make money in the market. That's all, guys. I'll keep, just comment down what you want me to talk about next. I'll tell you. But don't be like just a follower. Don't just follow me blindly. Think about it. What did I say? And implement it. Read about it. Research some indicators and let me know what all simple strategies you follow. And just comment down if you like this video. Just like it on all that shit that YouTubers tell you, and subscribe. I'll tell you some stuff, easy stuff that no other YouTuber will tell you. They'll just entertaining you. They are not here to uh, make you money. They are just entertaining you, and they are making money out of you. So just comment down what you want to know, and have a nice day. Happy trading.